Anal cancer. Introduction.
The anus is the opening of the rectum to the outside of the body. Select true or false. Correct. The anal canal is a part of the anus. It is between the rectum and the anal opening.
All tumors are cancerous. Select true or false.
Correct. Only tumors that tend to invade surrounding tissues and other organs are cancerous. Cancerous tumors are also known as malignant tumors. Benign tumors are not cancerous. Is the cause of anal cancer always known? Select yes or no. Correct. The cause of anal cancer is not always known. If anal cancer has spread to nearby lymph nodes, it can spread to other areas of the body. Select true or false. Correct. There are some tests that healthcare providers can use to help determine if and where the cancer is spread.
Radiation therapy, chemotherapy, and surgery may be used in combination to treat anal cancer. Select true or false. Correct. Radiation therapy, chemotherapy, and surgery are often used in combination to treat anal cancer.
Thank you for using Explain.